I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with packaging and cereal verification. This is where fakes often fail. Scan the cereal on the box and on the case. They must match exactly. Once done, inspect the printing quality, barcode alignment, and hologram absence. Counterfeit boxes use cheap ink and mismatched fonts. Make sure paperwork and manuals use Apple layouts and correct language. Also feel the box weight and hinge. Subtle heft and precise seams indicate genuine production standards, so don't skip this first step. Next, open the case to evaluate hardware details. Fakes get small things wrong. You should compare the pairing button size, LED position, and the smoothness of the hinge. Real units click precisely and align. Once you remove the earbuds, check mic grills and speaker mesh spacing, and test magnet strength. Genuine magnets hold with consistent force. Make sure the cereal on the inside lid matches external labels. If something feels loose or asymmetrical, that's a clear red flag. Finish by testing software integration and audio behavior. This reveals many counterfeits. Pair with an iPhone and observe the pairing animation, battery HUD, and device name. Fakes often skip or mimic these poorly. Once paired, check firmware version in Settings, run sound, microphone, and ANC or spatial audio tests to confirm features function correctly. If results differ or the cereal isn't recognized by Apple support, stop using them and pursue a refund. One troubleshooting tip: reset and repair to rule out transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.